Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of 365 days of GIS tools. Today we're going to learn how to create buffers of polygons, so we are going to be using a point dataset, and we're going to be creating a normal buffer, and we are going to be creating a multi-ring buffer as well. So I'm going to start with the normal buffer. Before I start with the buffer, it's important to know that I am going to be using my dataset using projected coordinate systems. So I have them as a geographic coordinate system as well, but if we want to do analysis of distances or do some measurements of our dataset, it's better if we have them as a projected coordinate system. If you want to learn how to project your dataset, you can check my past video. So I'm going to create the buffer. I'm going to my processing toolbox. If you want to open your processing toolbox, you only need to go to processing toolbox and then look, you write buffer and open buffer. So here we have the input layer, and I am using my groundwater in a projected coordinate system, and we have distance. So the distance for this one is going to be 500 meters. And I am going to leave the segments as 5, the cap style round, and everything as it is. And I'm going to create a temporary layer, so click run. And here we have our buffer. So we can change the color of the polygon. And we can change the symbol of our points if we want to. So here we have the buffer, the point, and the buffer. If we want to know, or if we want to do several buffers of the same point, and we want to know the distances between those buffers, we can create a multi-ring buffer. So for this case, I'm going to be using the same dataset, so the points in the projected coordinate system, and I am going to create 5 rings. So 5 rings of 100 meters. And I am going to click run, and here I have the same buffer size, so it's 500 meters, but with different rings inside. If I change the symbology and I use categorized and select the value of distance and then classify, I have a distance of 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 with different colors. So I am going to click apply, and here we can see the different distance values. I can also add the labels, so single labels and distance as well. So here we have the distance values, but we can do some changes. There we go. So I'm using the free placement. Here placement free, and here I can see 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. You can change the style of the labels if you want. And this way we can create just a normal buffer, or we can create a multi-ring buffer. And this is it for today's tutorial. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.